Today we will going to tell about the estimation of error. How we will estimate the error for any measurement. So we have to do many observations. For an experiment we will not take only one observation. We will take 2, 3, 4 sometimes. How much more observations we are taking, that will go for the more correct value, or you can say most correct or most accurate value. For accuracy for the measurement, we are taking many more observation or many more measurement of a physical quantity. Suppose I have taken an observation has done for a measurement of a physical quantity. What are the observations? Let observations are x1, x2, x3, like that, xn. And for measurement of a physical quantity, I have taken n observation. What are those observations? x1, x2, x3, xn. So first is mean value. What is mean value, or it is also known as most probable value? The most probable value is denoted by xn. This will be the average of all observations. So I have done n observations. What will be the average or mean of all observation? x1 plus sum of all divided by number of observation. This can be written in the form of also sigma xi. I is taken from 1 to n divided by n. So this is called mean value or most probable value for measurement of that physical quantity. Next term is what? Absolute error. So see here, so absolute error, actually absolute error is what? The magnitude of deviation of the result of any measurement of the quantity from the mean is called absolute error of the measurement. Suppose this is the mean value xm. First observation is x1. The difference of xm to x1. This is called absolute error. So see here, we want to find the absolute error for the first observation. The absolute error for the first observation is defined as x del x1. So what will be the del x1? The magnitude of deviation. What will be the deviation? xm is the mean value. First observation is x1. So deviation is xm minus x1. This may be negative, this may be positive, but we have to take only magnitude. So magnitude mean modulus value we have to take. So this xm minus x1 will be the absolute error for the first observation. Similarly, absolute error for second observation, if you want to find, it will be denoted by del x2. So del x2 is equal to what? xm minus x2. Same way for third observation, if you'll see for third, that is del x3. Del x3 is what? xm minus x3. Similarly, for nth observation, absolute error for nth observation is equal to what? This can be written as del xn is equal to xm minus deviation of mean value to nth measurement taken as magnitude mean modulus form. That will be the absolute error in nth observation. So see here, next term is what? Mean absolute error. So what will be the mean absolute error? The mean absolute error is defined as the average of or mean of the all absolute error. Mean of the all absolute error will be defined as mean absolute error. So these are the individual absolute error for the n observation. So what will be the mean absolute error? So mean absolute error is defined as the average of these. Mean of this. The mean of this mean sum of all absolute error divided by number of observation, this is n. This can be written in the form of also mean absolute error. We can write down 1 by nth of sigma all absolute error taken from 1 to n, all observation. This is called mean absolute error. How will we represent the measurement? हम मेजरमेंट को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? तो देखो बेटा, मैंने बताया अभी कि दिस मीन वैल्यू इज मोस्ट प्रोबेबल वैल्यू एंड देयर में बी पॉसिबल एरर्स कितने हो सकते हैं? डेल एक्स एम, मे बी दे नेगेटिव, मे बी दे पॉजिटिव, दीज आर द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरर. तो हाउ इन फिजिक्स में ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हम कि केवल मीन वैल्यू हमने लिख दिया. वॉट एवर पॉसिबल एरर्स also they have to write in the measurement. So what will be the representation of measurement? measurement का representation कैसे होगा बेटा? तो most probable value and plus minus mean absolute error. So this will be the representation of that physical quantity. ध्यान दो, आप लोगों को मैं कई बार बता चुका बेटा, फिजिक्स में ऐसा नहीं होता. ये एब्सोल्यूट एरर आपका पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है और क्या हो सकता है बेटा? नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू राइट प्लस माइनस. तो दिस इज द मोस्ट प्रोबेबल वैल्यू एंड दैट आर द पॉसिबल एरर्स. तो वी विल राइट द मेजरमेंट ऑफ दैट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इज एक्सएम मीन वैल्यू प्लस माइनस डेल एक्सएम. तो सी हियर व्हाट विल बी द रिलेटिव एरर? वन मोर थिंग वी हैव टू फाइंड. तो व्हाट इज रिलेटिव एरर? रिलेटिव एरर मीन the mean absolute error divided by mean value. The ratio of mean absolute error to mean value is known as relative error or fractional error. Relative error or fractional error. What will be the relative error or fractional error? So relative error is equal to what? Mean value we have found del xm divided by xm. The ratio is known as relative error. One more is there, last percentage error. What is percentage error? If this fractional error is converted in the form of percentage, mean this multiplied by 100. This fractional error multiplied by 100. So that will be the percentage error. What will be the percentage error? This is multiplied by 100. Or fractional error taken in the form of percentile. So this will be the percentage error. So I have told about the mean value. I have told about the mean absolute error. I have told about the relative error and percentage error. So one example I am going to take. By that example you have to clear all the things. So see here, I have taken one example. 5 observation has done for a measurement of a physical quantity. We want to measure potential difference. I have taken 5 observations and the value of observation has come 6.1, 5.8, 5.9, 6.4 and 5.8. Calculate mean value, mean absolute error, relative error and percentage error. So first, what is mean value? Mean value of potential difference. Mean value of potential difference. I have told you how can we find it. This is what? Sum of all, average of all. The average of all mean x1, there are 5 experiment, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x5 divided by total observation is 5. So xm has come 6.1, 5.8, 5.9, 6.4, 5.8 divided by 5. If we add it 81999 18 plus 4 22 plus 8 30 0 and this is 27 plus 3, this is 30 upon 5 that is 6.01. So this will be the most probable value, mean value. Okay. Next, mean absolute errors. Firstly, we have to find the absolute error for each observation. So absolute error for first observation. What will be the first observation? That is denoted by del x1. The del x1 is what? X mean value minus difference from the first value. And we have to take magnitude. Magnitude means modulus. So what it happened? That is xm is 6.0 minus this is 6.1. Actually this has come minus 0.1. But only we have to take magnitude. The magnitude will be 0.1. For second observation, what will be the x2? Del x2 is xm minus x2. xm is 6 minus second observation is 5.8. This will come 0.2. Third, this will come 6.0. xm minus x3 5.9. This will come 0.1. For 4, this will come 6 minus 6.4, 0.4. For fifth, 6.0 minus 5.8, this is come 0.2. These are the absolute error. What will be the mean absolute error? Mean absolute error mean we have to take average value of these absolute errors. Average value of these absolute error, this can be denoted by del xm. What will be the del xm? Mean absolute error. Mean absolute error will be average of these. Del x1, del x2, del x3, del x4, del x5 divided by 5 number of terms. This is 0.1, 0.2, this is 0.1, 0.4, 0.2 divided by 5, 2, 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 2, this is 10. So that will come 1.0 upon 5, this is 0.2. So this 0.2 will be the mean absolute error. What will be the measured value? How will we represent it? Represent the potential difference. The potential difference for this whole observation is mean value 6.0 plus minus. This mean absolute error may be positive, may be negative. That's why we will write 6.0 plus minus 0.2. That much they have taken in volt. That is volt. If I find the relative error, what will be the relative error? Relative error, I have told earlier, ratio of mean absolute error to mean value. Yeah, most probable value. Del xm divided by xm. That is 0.2 divided by 6.0. So that is 2 3s are any 1 upon 30. Point I will remove. 1 by 30, or you can say 0.0333. This will be the relative error. What is the percentage error? If we talk about the percentage error, the relative error taken in the form of percentile, percentage multiplied by 100, this del xm upon xm multiplied by 100. That is 0.2 upon 6.0 multiplied by 100. So that is 20 upon 6, or you can say 10 by 3% or 3.333. This will be the percentage error. I have given one example how to estimate the errors. So firstly we have to make the average of all, that is mean value or most probable value. Second, we have to find individual absolute error, then mean absolute error, and this can be written in the form of and this type mean most probable value plus minus mean absolute error. This is the relative error and this is the percentage error.